Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. We begin this evening with a developing story. The police have arrested a suspect in connection with this week's murder of Police Constable Darren Henry in the car park of the Terra Hotel in St. Andrew. We have more in this report. The suspect was picked up last week shortly after the shooting. An illegal gun and the getaway car have been seized in the investigation being conducted by the Major Investigation Division, MID. The cops are searching for 3 other suspects. Constable Darren Henry, who was attached to the Motorized Patrol Division, was fatally shot by gunmen on May 22. The constable, who was on suspension from the force, was working as a security guard at the Terra Hotel when he was confronted by a group of men sitting in a car near the casino on the property. The men opened fire on the constable, killing him on the spot. Other armed security guards challenged the men, and this led to a gun battle. One of the gunmen was held on the compound while the others fled in the getaway vehicle. The illegal gun was seized in the car park. Constable Henry's gun was found beside him. Following the shooting, it was discovered that a second man had been shot and injured. He was taken to hospital for treatment.